Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Adblock for your Google Chrome. It's just going to be an extension. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Before we get late, let's get into the video. So at first, just open your Chrome. So once you're inside your Chrome, just choose what you want to, that just type in it. So I want to type in Adblocker Chrome extension. Once I do this, I either get the Chrome Web Store version or the official Adblock version. Just press on the Adblock one and press in Get Adblock for Chrome. Once you press that, it will automatically take you to the Chrome Web Store. And as of me, I already have the Adblock, which is why it shows remove. For you, it will show add extension. And after that, it will be added here. From here, you can see how many ads are blocked, and you can block particular ad if you want. It can block every website's ad inside your Google Chrome. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.